Sure. Hindi nila kinaya na humingi na stuff. Hindi ba na dito daw. We're excited to show our room. Thank you for caring for me, Kuya.
Kris Aquino, mas masaya ang aura ngayon at talagang tuloy-tuloy na ang kanyang paggaling. Ngayon nga ay nasa Boracay siya kasama ang kanyang dalawang anak na sina Bimbi at Josh. Kasama rin ang ilan sa kanyang mga staff at mga kanang kamay. Dahil dyan talagang mas nagiging blooming itong si Miss Kris Aquino at mas peaceful dahil mas maganda na nasa beach sila dahil mas nakaka-relax. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Ngayon nga ang moment ni Kris Aquino para mag-relax-relax at isang tabi muna ang kanyang stress sa buhay. Dapat kasi palaging nakatawa at syempre good vibes lang para iwas sa kung ano-anong sakit. Gusto ni Kris Aquino na palaging nasa beach para nang sa gayon ay makalanghap ng fresh air, sea breeze at masarap din gumising sa umaga na sa beach ka nakaharap.
Kuya, so sweet. Very calm. Your mom won't fall. Fruits that kailangan makita at masubukan. That's good. Okay. You have your own plunge pool. Tapos area. Kuya, you like it? So nice. And then look at the view. Not as pretty as my mom. Oh, the sweetness. Oh. Narinig niyo yun, sabi niya, the view is not as pretty as my mom. Nice. Like this, Kuya. Super nice. So let's tour pa around and see what else is here.
Hindi naman pwede na hindi tayo itutour ni Miss Kris Aquino kaya naman nagbigay pa nga siya ng home tour kung saan sila nakastay ngayon sa Boracay. Nakakatuwa lang dahil mahilig pala ito si Kris Aquino na patayin ang aircon dahil mas gusto niya talaga ay fresh air at ginawin nga talaga si Miss Kris.
Out there, both of you, and I'll tour around. You like? Sarap, Kuya. Ready na ako ngayon. Nadala na akong bathing suit. Hindi na ako papagaling-galing kay Kai. Yes, I'm bathing suit. I'm ready. Okay. It's our room. Wow. Matutuwa sila sa akin. Off ng aircon. Oh. Ganda ng pagka-decorate. At ang bango. Yeah.
What do you prefer, Miss Kris? Lavender or lemongrass?
Lavender.
Lavender.
Yeah, wow! Then look at it. So, nakahiwalay.
Yes. This is the shower area.
This is where the toilet is. Okay. Bathtub. Tapos you can watch if you like. And then there's a shower. Tapos you have 2 sinks.
Then you have the
And yung
tiles.
sabi ko, yung social na blower meron sila. Yay! Saya.
I'll show you the guest room.
Ano yung guest room? Okay. Oh wait, we have a guest room. Oh. Bingkay and Alvin will be here. You and me and Quinn.
Joshua with Pinkay.
You don't like to be with us? We've been so happy. How many nights have we been together and happy? Yeah, see? Oh, happy ka with us, diba? Let's make ikot. Ganda. And there's a day bed pa.
Yes, po. There's a bed.
Patayin natin aircon. So there are 2 rooms,
Yes, there's 2
actually.
rooms. Yes. The total that area is 252 square meters.
Wow. Tapos, let's see what's there. The other
This is the
bathroom. Bathroom number 2.
There's also another tub here.
Wow.
There's a separate
Nice.
shower and toilet area.
Ba't parang mas maganda yung shape ng tub na to? Kasi parang mas yung isa parang scary. Parang mabababok ka doon. Ito mas maganda yung tub. Ganda. How long did it take para makonstruct ito lahat?
Well, actually, the construction started around 2014.
Ang tagal?
Until we opened 2018.
So
Last quarter of 2014.
So almost 4 years?
Yes.
Grabe. 4 years para matapos ito. Oh. Ang ganda ng carpet. Parang you feel like ginaya, no? Kung ano yung sa seat.
Yes.
Ay, ang bigay tinan mo yung shot from here. When you're looking out, yung view mo. Oh, so nice. Nice, Kuya. Super. Mama is the ideal guest. Hindi na guest.
Relax na relax din talaga itong si Kuya Josh habang nasa vacation sila ng kanyang mami Chris Aquino. Marami nga ang natutuwa sa kanilang mag-anak dahil talaga namang blessed nga si Chris Aquino sa kanyang dalawang anak na si Josh at Bimbi. Sabi nga dito ni Carl Lai, Bimbi and Josh are very sweet and well-mannered men. This is all because to Chris Aquino, God has given her two men in her life that would love and respect her for the rest of her life. At mula naman kay Perfect Tua Salonga, I love watching this kind of video. Nakaka-inspire naman. Thank you for sharing this, Miss Chris Aquino.
This is only one.
This is the only grand signature suite that we have.
Pero
This is
dito
the perfect-
sa wing na to, ilan?
For the signature suites, we have
Yes,
total of 11.
So signature suites are 11. And then, sa baba, total of how many rooms
Ah,
we need to set this
Total,
coffee
we have 99.
99 na. So, there used to be 88.
88.
Nadagdagan ng 11 na signature. Okay, what I did kasi was I checked their website and you should do this also. If you click down, there's one part there na yun yung wrap rates. But if you click down and you automatically join in I prefer, you'll get the better rates. So that's an insider tip for all of you. Kasi yung that I prefer is parang social care that you're part of it. Kasi yung mga social na hotels, worldwide. And then you get really better rates and better service. Kasi di ba, kinda alam nyo na at this point, may obsession ako sa points. So, nung nakita ko yun, sabi ko, okay, let's do this. Ang ganda. And then, this comes talaga, pagdating mo
Yes.
dito, what's that?
This one, we have a sunblock. It's a B&B Armada
And
brand.
then?
And then there's a no-bake oil. This is a
what?
after sunburn.
Parang may aloe vera?
Yes.
Or,
But it's more of a virgin coconut oil.
Okay. Tapos,
And then there's a Parauta.
tapos doon, di ba, forever yung ritual yan, yung
Foot wash.
foot wash. Yeah.
Yes.
Ito, yung Nespresso all you want.
Yes.
And then, di ba dito sa Signature Suites, every day, nire-replenish
Then
yung
the
ano.
mini bars. Yes, the mini bar.
Okay. Oh, happiness bin. Cookies, the coffee, the tea, pati the drinks. Open it, honey, and show.
Sweet. Every day.
Okay. And then, even the cookies.
Cookies, yes.
Please try the cookie.
Banana cheese and nuts here.
What's it? Butter. Yeah. And there's water.
it's
and then
yummy.
there's Nespresso. And then the tea. I'll explain to everyone.